everybody, it's Adam with Eau Gallie Electric, and I'm here to answer some of those frequently asked questions. We're seeing a lot of questions on our social media platforms about looking for a ballpark price for the installation of a generator. And when it comes to ballparks, they're really big and easy to get lost in. So we would rather come out and spend the time with you, look at the property so we can really provide you information that's accurate. If we were to give you ballpark information, it's just going to lead you in the wrong direction, and it's not going to provide you with what you need to make an educated decision. So it only costs you a little bit of time. We'll come out, we'll do that free in-home consultation, and we'll see if we can get that generator in a place that works for you. As far as cost of generator, we cost everything based on what it costs us to install it. So it's the cost of the material, the labor, the permitting. So prices don't go up based on what's going on. They go up based on what we're charged for things. So we just wanted to let people know that as things get more expensive around us, that's what drives the pricing. It's not just because we had a storm or we're expecting a storm. So if you'd like us to come out, we can assess the property. We take a look at everything with you. We'll let you know what the cost of the installation would be. We'll let you know how the installation will proceed for you. And then we give you time to make that educated decision, to get other prices if you'd like to, so that you can make the best decision for your situation. Thanks for taking the time to listen, and let us know if there's anything we can do to serve you.